Using isoprene compost ray 4, we 3D printed small link designs with PETG as the matrix polymer and continuous carbon fiber as reinforcement. We also made links with solid PETG without any reinforcement for strength comparison. Now we wanted to know if the links can lift something heavy. We used a setup with an in-house gantry crane and a wooden pallet attached to our link. As you can see, we really trusted the fiber reinforced link to climb on top of the wooden pallet. The continuous carbon fiber reinforced link even lifted 4 of us plus the wooden pallet and other attachments. We later pulled the link in a universal testing machine where we were able to load up to about 5 kN before the fiber breakage. However, in the case of solid plastic link without reinforcement, we weren't brave enough to use the lifting setup with gantry, pallet and humans. This link was pulled in a universal testing machine instead, and here you see why. The brittle fracture of the link has occurred at around 2.6 kN of pulling force.